In this question, you have to identify which one is not a component of downstream processing. Option A, preservation. It is incorrect because it is a part of downstream processing, as it involves steps to ensure the stability and longevity of the final product. Option B, expression. Now, expression refers to the synthesis of the desired product, whether it's a foreign protein, enzyme, and so on, within the host organism during upstream processing. So, it is not a part of downstream processing. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, separation. It is also incorrect because it is a very important step in downstream processing. It involves the isolation of the product from the host culture, culture media, or other components. So techniques such as centrifugation, filtration, or precipitation are used in this step. Option D, purification. It is also incorrect because it is also a major component of downstream processing. And it involves removing the impurities and other unwanted substances from the desired product. And techniques such as chromatography or electrophoresis are used in this stage.